Welcome back. Today we bring you another inspiring tale of a dynamic trader, famous technical analyst, and investor. Without further delay, let's dive right in. Imagine a young dentist meticulously studying teeth and oral health, yet harboring a secret fascination for the swirling patterns of the stock market. One decision taken in the early years of his career would completely pivot his life, from clinical precision to market strategy, and set the stage for an extraordinary journey in financial markets. But what truly drove him to abandon a stable profession and embrace the unpredictable world of trading remains a story worth exploring. And Dr. C.K. Narayan's story begins in Mumbai, where he completed his secondary education at CIS High School, Matunga, graduating with the SSC batch of 1974. His early diligence in academics foreshadowed a life of disciplined pursuit and strategic thinking. From there, he joined the University of Mumbai in 1976, pursuing a bachelor's in dental surgery, BDS, and graduating in 1980. While dentistry provided a structured and rigorous foundation, it was during these college days that Narayan first encountered the allure of the stock market, igniting a curiosity that would later define his career. By 1978, he made a bold pivot. Trading would become his true calling. Balancing the principles of dentistry with a nascent passion for markets, he embraced the uncertainty and challenges of financial markets, a world vastly different from clinical routines, yet equally demanding precision, analysis, and strategic thinking. Narayan's early career was guided by a principle he would carry throughout his life: merging perception with reality. This pragmatic approach helped him navigate complex market dynamics while ensuring disciplined decision-making. Initially relying on self-taught fundamental analysis, he gradually honed his skills, recognizing the need for more structured methodologies. By 1981, he embraced technical analysis, TA, finding in it a framework that resonated with his analytical mindset and allowed him to interpret market patterns systematically. This transition marked a critical milestone, cementing his core competence in laying the groundwork for decades of success. Partnering with a respected stockbroker, Narayan began offering specialized services to retail clients. By understanding retail traders' psychology and needs, he developed practical strategies and advisory services tailored for their success. The advent of the National Stock Exchange, NSE, offered new opportunities, allowing him to expand his advisory services and establish a strong reputation in the market. His career trajectory continued to ascend as he took on institutional roles, managing funds for major corporate groups and investment management firms. At ET Securities, he served as head of sales, marketing, and client services for institutional clients, including foreign institutional investors, FIIs. His efforts strengthened client relationships and solidified ET Securities' status as a premier financial intermediary in India. In 2011, Narayan focused on innovation through NeoTrader, a sophisticated analysis and trading companion software designed for the Indian market. Located in Chembur, Mumbai, he spearheaded its development, providing tools and insights that empowered over 4,000 satisfied users. NeoTrader exemplifies Narayan's ability to merge theoretical knowledge with practical applications, offering traders and analysts a reliable framework for decision-making in a dynamic financial environment. Prior to this, from February 2010 to June 2011, he managed treasury operations at Sharian's Resources, specializing in derivative and equity markets. This experience deepened his expertise in strategic financial activities and risk management, ensuring optimal returns in volatile markets. Between 2002 and 2009, as Senior Vice President at ET Securities, Narayan oversaw institutional sales and client services, fostering enduring relationships with FIIs and reinforcing the firm's prominence in India's financial sector. Earlier, from 1998 to 2001, he served as VP of Institutional Sales at Apple Stockbroking, leading technical research for institutional clients and shaping sales strategies. Narayan's contributions extended to financial media, where he served as editor at Capital Market Technicals from 1995 to 1997. Under his leadership, the magazine not only regained profitability, but also became a highly respected publication, further amplifying his influence in market education. One of Narayan's most notable contributions is the creation of the Trend Trader newsletter, a weekly publication providing in-depth analysis, market trends, and actionable trading strategies. For over 2 decades, it became a cornerstone resource for both institutional and retail clients, showcasing his expertise while significantly enhancing market literacy across India. In addition, his television presence on ET Now's Talking Technicals allowed him to reach tens of thousands of professionals, sharing insights on technical analysis, derivatives, and market trends. His role as a trusted market commentator elevated him to a position of national recognition, blending education with practical market guidance. Central to Narayan's approach is a philosophy of pragmatic decision-making, rooted in rigorous analysis and strategic thinking. Transitioning from dentistry to trading exemplified his commitment to follow passion while leveraging discipline and analytical skills. Over 37 years, he has embodied the principle of continuous learning, adapting to evolving market conditions, and integrating insights from both retail and institutional experiences. Dr. Narayan's career has been a fusion of market expertise, technology innovation, and educational outreach. Through NeoTrader, the Trend Trader newsletter, and various institutional roles, he has influenced thousands of traders and analysts, enabling them to navigate markets with confidence. His leadership emphasizes clarity, precision, and actionable strategies, qualities reminiscent of his disciplined academic beginnings in dentistry. Dr. C.K. Narayan's journey from a dental graduate in Mumbai to a luminary in India's financial markets highlights the power of passion, discipline, and strategic vision. By embracing risk, transitioning into trading, and pioneering educational tools and software, he transformed both his career and the lives of countless traders. His story underscores the importance of aligning personal interest with professional pursuit and demonstrates how disciplined analysis and innovative thinking can shape lasting impact. Today, as Managing Director of Growth Avenues, Narayan continues to blend education, innovation, and strategic insight, leaving an indelible mark on India's trading community. His commitment to merging practical expertise with rigorous analysis ensures that his influence will guide and inspire generations of traders and financial professionals. From dentistry to trading, from newsletters to advanced software, Dr. Narayan's life reflects the journey of a visionary who continuously bridges knowledge with opportunity, leaving listeners inspired to explore their own potential in the ever-evolving world of finance.